Talking about the font colors, it's also essential that we understand the aspect of uniformity and consistency. I mean, for example, the scriptures. We have the scripture reference and we have the scriptures body itself, right? Whenever we are choosing the font color for the scriptures, we need to choose it strategically. We need to choose it in the sense that our audience are being put into consideration, the comfortability of our audience are being determined, right? For example, many churches decide to use yellow as their font scripture reference color, and it makes sense perfectly. But you see this color red, red doesn't make sense. Can you use red as a scripture reference font color? It doesn't make sense. Red is a dim color. It doesn't bring inspiration. So things like yellow, orange, bright colors, it brings inspiration whenever you are looking at it on the screen. Now the scripture's text should be a white color. The same. You don't use red for scripture text. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't also bring inspiration. It doesn't make our eyes comfortable. So what do? We choose white. So just imagine your scripture reference is yellow, then the text of the scripture is white. You find that your audience will enjoy the service because these colors on its own brings inspirations.